Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to divide fractions. It is different than multiplying. Okay, so we're going to take two fractions. We're going to do 1 over 9 divided by 5 over 12. So dividing and multiplying are opposites, so we have to change something when we divide. What we do is we take our second fraction and we are going to change it. We're going to flip it. So we're going to put 12 over 5. So you're going to move it from the 5 down to the bottom and then the 12 up to the top. So you change it. So the 5 goes to the bottom and the 12 to the top. This one stays the same. And then the divide becomes a multiply. And then we get our answer. We do 1 times 12 is 12. 9 times 5 is 45. And then this one we can divide because we have an even and an odd, so I think we can divide by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then 45 divided by 3 is 15. This is my answer when I divide. So you have to take this one and you have to change it and then you multiply. Let's look at another one. Let's do 1 over 3 divided by 7 over 15. So it's divide. So the divide becomes a multiply. This one has to change. They have to switch. So it's 15 on top over 7. This one stays the same. So this one you copy, stays the same. And now you multiply. 1 times 15 is 15. 3 times 7 is 21. And this one we can simplify by dividing by 3. 15 divide 3 is 5. 21 divide 3 is 7. Okay, let's look at another one. How about 5 over 8 divided by negative 3 over 4. So first thing, we're going to copy, change to multiply, and then we're going to change our fraction to 4 over 3, and then the negative, put it in the top. It goes on the top. And now multiply. 5 times 4 is 20, but there's one signal, so it's negative. 8 times 3 is 24. And this one can divide by 2. I get negative 10 over 12. And then I get negative 5 over 6. I've finished. Okay, so let's look at another one. This one is special. If you have 3/4 divided by 11. So what you have to do, if it's just a number, you have to put it over 1. And now we copy the first one, 3 over 4. We change to multiply. And then this one we switch. So the 1 is on the top, 11 is on the bottom. And then we multiply across. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 11 is 44. And this one, no simplify. Okay, so let's do another one with mixed numbers. So you're going to have to do a lot of changing. So a mixed number, if you have 4 2/3 divided by 3 1/9. So what you have to do is, these are mixed, so you need to change them to improper. So you're going to do 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14 over 3, divided by 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28 over 9. So we change. That's what we did. We changed them. Now we copy the first one. It becomes multiply. And this one I have to flip. So you're going to flip this. So it's 9 and 28. And now we're going to multiply across, but I need my calculator. So 14 times 9 is 126. And 3 times 28 is 84. Okay. I think I can simplify. So let's get the calculator back up here. 126 divided by 2, 63. So 63 over 84 divided by 2, that's 42. Okay. But this is improper. So what you need to do then is you need to take 63 divided by 42. And it goes in there 1. So that's my whole number. 1 times 42. And if I subtract, I get 121. So I get 21 over 42. And then when I look at this, this is good, but this I can divide by 3. So I get 21 divided by 3 is 7. 42 divided by 3 is 14. This one I can do again. I'm going to change this one more time. It's 1. This 7 and 14 I can divide by 7. So I get 1/2. That's a big answer. 1 and 1/2 is my answer. Okay, so let's just review real quick. Let's just throw one up here to make sure we have it. If you have 4 over 5 divided by 3 over 10, the rule is copy the first one, change to multiply. The second one, you flip, and then you multiply. So I get 40. 5 times 3 is 15. I can divide by, I have a 0 and I have a 5, so I'm going to divide by 5. So I get 8 over 3, which this is improper. So 3 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6, so I get 2. So I get 2 and 2 over 3. All right, this is the end of the dividing video.